Roof ventilation is one of the most underrated aspects of home design and maintenance, especially in a climate like Sterling Heights, Michigan. While many homeowners focus on insulation, siding, and windows, ventilation is often overlooked. Yet it plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy, energy-efficient, and long-lasting home. In this article, we'll break down why roof ventilation is so essential for homes in Sterling Heights, what problems can arise without it, and how the right system can save you money, prevent damage, and improve comfort year-round. The role of roof ventilation is the system of intake and exhaust vents that allow fresh air to circulate through your attic space. The goal is to create a flow of air that pushes hot, moist, or stale air out and draws in cooler, drier air from outside. This circulation helps regulate attic temperatures and prevents excess moisture buildup, both critical for homes in Michigan, where summers can be hot and humid and winters are long and snowy. The local climate challenge Sterling Heights experiences a wide range of weather throughout the year. In the summer, attic temperatures can soar well above 120 degrees Fahrenheit if not ventilated properly. This superheated air can transfer into your living spaces, forcing your air conditioning to work overtime and driving up your energy bills. Come winter, the story flips. Cold temperatures combined with indoor heat and humidity create condensation in your attic. Without proper ventilation, that moisture has nowhere to go and can lead to wood rot, mold growth, and ice dam formation along your roofline. This cycle of heat and moisture extremes makes roof ventilation a year-round necessity in Sterling Heights. Benefits of proper ventilation extends roof lifespan. Excessive attic heat and moisture can warp shingles, cause the underlayment to deteriorate, and rot the structural components of your roof. Good ventilation helps prevent premature aging of your roof. Prevents ice dams. In Michigan winters, ice dams can form when warm attic air melts snow on the roof, which then refreezes at the eaves. This can cause water to back up under shingles and leak into your home. Adequate ventilation keeps the roof temperature more consistent, reducing the risk. Reduces energy costs. By releasing hot air in summer and allowing cooler air to circulate, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain indoor comfort. This translates to noticeable savings on your utility bills. Improves indoor air quality. When your attic traps moisture and stale air, it creates a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and allergens that can eventually circulate into your living space. Ventilation helps maintain cleaner air throughout your home. Protects insulation effectiveness. Moisture in the attic can dampen insulation, reducing its R value, resistance to heat flow, and overall effectiveness. Dry insulation performs better, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Signs your home may have poor ventilation. Excessively hot upstairs rooms in summer. High cooling or heating bill. Condensation on windows. Mold or mildew smell in the attic. Ice dams along the roof edge in winter. Rusting nails or frost inside the attic. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's time to assess your roof's ventilation system. Final thought. benefits for homeowners in Sterling Heights. Roof ventilation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. With our challenging seasonal shifts, protecting your home from heat, moisture, and mold damage should be a top priority. Investing in a properly balanced ventilation system can improve comfort, lower energy bills, and protect your biggest investment, your home. Whether you're building a new house, replacing a roof, or simply upgrading your attic, don't underestimate the power of proper roof ventilation. Your home, and your wallet, will thank you.